everyone, it's LaQuanda. Welcome back to LaQuanda's Heart, and I wanted to give you a tour of the smallest gym that, that I've ever seen. It's actually the corner of my living room. And so, with COVID happening, I canceled my gym membership. I wasn't going to the gym anymore. I have asthma. I wanted to do things safely in my home, and so I decided that I would, over a couple of months, this started in around March when we initially did the shutdowns, that I would, you know, develop a gym at home. So I am here to show you my gym. So the biggest piece, as you can see, of my gym is this puppy right here. This is my treadmill, and I am going, oh, my hand is in the way. I'm going to, this treadmill I got off of Amazon. I got it specifically because it reclines and it lifts up, and I needed that for my small space. Now I'm going to maneuver the camera over this way, so bear with me. Before we go over there, I want to show you that I have this space here, and this space that is here on the ground does double duty. On this side is a photography studio, and when that's not in use, I can have the usage of this floor, and I have like an ab roller here, but I don't store the ab roller there. I actually store it over here. So let's go over here. So what do we have here? I am a part of an amazing group on Facebook, and we connect with our neighbors, and for things that they don't want, they give away. And so someone was giving away this really heavy filing cabinet, and I was like, wait, this would be great for the studio and the gym. So at the bottom, I have material and stuff that I use for the studio, and at the top is the stuff that I use for the gym. So I have another ab roller, and then I have resistance bands. This I haven't blown up yet, is a stability ball, but it's going to be on top. And I have two yoga mats in here, this blue one, turquoise one, and this pink one. So my daughter and I each have one. Close that up. And I also have a kettlebell. Now, these come in different sizes and shapes and kinds, but I got this one because it holds water. And the amount of water in here determines the weight. So I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it can be 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12 pounds. So that stays there. Now, the part of my gym that I love the most is this puppy right here. Now, this is something that I put together. This chair was given to me by one of my neighbors, and I had originally reupholstered it, cleaned up the leather, and reupholstered, well, you can't see the bottom, the seat of it. My partner had bought me this massage mat. And so now, after a workout, I get to sit back, relax with my controls, and have a full massage with heat. And so I absolutely love this part of the gym. Everything easily tucks away. I just take the ab roller and I stick it over here. And I have a three panel screen that covers all of this. so you're not able to see it. And this is the corner of my living room. So the corner of my living room became my gym. So that's it for this video. I hope all of you are staying healthy and safe. Peace.